Welcome to Godwin Tech. You can insert shapes of so many types in Excel mobile application. So that is what I'm going to walk you through on how you can do in this video tutorial. Okay, so the first step is to access the app, the Excel app as usual. In the final search, I will type Excel. So you know how to access it from your own smartphone. Tap on it for it to open. Okay, it opens the cell the workbook I'll be working on. But let me just go back. Okay, so this is where you are supposed to be landed on. Now I'll show you the workbooks you worked on recently. So, but here let me just work with a blank document. So tap on the plus sign, say blank document. That doesn't prevent you from working with a template. So when you tap on the plus sign and you want to work with any template, just select any template from the list there. So that is that. So now, how do I insert the shape here? The first step is to tap on a cell, a particular cell in that workbook. Okay? Then tap on the ribbon display options, which is the arrow icon at the top right, at the bottom right, sorry. Okay? Now this opens some commands. By default, you are supposed to be on the home tab, which is where I am now. Then tap on that home tab and select insert. Alright? Okay. It shows us some commands we can work with on the insert tab. And one of them is shapes. So tap on shapes. Alright, this shows some shapes you can insert in this workbook. And many shapes of different colors. Okay, let's say I want to work with the star shape, so I will tap on star. You see the star shape has been inserted in the workbook, so I can decide to drag it, to expand it, drag it down, to expand it more at the rest. So just work on it and then have it, can move it to any position you want, okay, in the workbook, and then drop it in that position. I hope this video helps. Please do want to subscribe to my channel. Like this video and leave a comment if possible. Thank you and stay good.